Sunday the 20th of January 2019. This is a Silverdream Mercedes van. It's a monocoque single shell without glue, so to speak. It is a vehicle which will cost from around 105,000 euros. It is can be even on a 3.5 ton basis, or the chassis can be put to 4 tons or even more. Magnificent large garage here. Look at all that space up there. Let's go inside. So Silverdream S650. Now, this van is largely made to order, so people can have what they want. And as you can see from the sign up there, you can have 2 single beds in here. It's as though, I appreciate they put this carpet in here to protect the floor at trade fairs, so we wouldn't necessarily have it. But as I walk here with my outdoor shoes on, I feel very much as though I shouldn't be doing it. This is quite outstanding. Now, one thing they say is that they have the safest vans on the market, and due to the construction of them. Well, hey, I really like this. I think this is absolutely brilliant. This certainly appeals to me. I mean, the vehicle as well. It's so it's a short, under 7 meters. I mean, hard to believe this vehicle is actually shorter than mine. You see, go on. Sorry, go ahead. Yeah, go on.
What is really nice to see is how we thinking. Yes. So we used 3 different lights.
Yes.
So you got a blue light by night. You got a warm light when you sit in the car, and if you open the door, just do cold light and the mosquitoes don't come in. And also, this is nothing special.
Yeah.
But how we thinking. If you got it like this, it works almost here.
Yeah.
Not here.
Yeah.
So now,
I can feel it though. Yeah.
Now we close it, and now you got the air there where you want it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also back in the bed.
Yes.
Fall straight in the bed.
Yes. And this is a fan. It's not cooled, so it'll work off 12 volts. It's
actually everywhere.
Yeah. I've got one of these in something like that, so a smaller thing actually. It's a manufacturing company called Titan, but
this
it's nice and
you have a bigger. The air is much.
Circulates.
The circulated. Das Volumen wird komplett gewälzt, ja?
Yes. Yeah, so much space as well in here. Yeah. Oh, it's great. Let's have a look in the bathroom now, I think. I mean, wow. That's really very, very impressive. So that was Ralph from Silverdream just came in, and to point that out, something I didn't know. Oh, I like this. Appreciate this. This hasn't. Oh, it has been. Sorry, so there's a plug hole down there. I thought they hadn't finished it. Sometimes happens, and people don't get the van finished in time for the fair. But no, this is finished. I think you could say it looks very sterile. I do appreciate that might be an argument here, but yeah, I'll get in here. I'll show you. Look how much space there is. There. Look at all this. Up there. Electrics. You got your light. Oh, I think this is really me in here. All right, I'll put a sliding door on. I'm not certain a sliding door would look right in a van like this. Even the bed, which is a rule I don't like over there at all, but because of the way the roof has been built into it, I mean that looks really good. And let's have a look down here. The driver's seats. Okay, there's a step up. I don't think that even matters actually in this case. The because of the when you put the captain's chairs in, it already raises the chairs up a bit. But you turn them round. You got a very nice large table here. Now I've got to say, for the price, I mean 105,000 euros, I personally don't have that, which I'm sure there's lots of extras on this actually. Can't believe that is the price. Oh, the gimbal's off doing its own thing again. They had something one year, I think it was in Dusseldorf about 2-3 years ago, and I didn't like it at all. But this is really very, very nice. Now, this company is actually based very close to Stuttgart. I thought I could go and visit them. I've got appointments already set up. You know, last year I spoke to somebody, so I'll come and visit you, and I didn't. Oh, even this step here, I think this is brilliant. The colour scheme is not something you expect in Germany either. Actually, the way it looks, this is Italy more, and sort of me being sort of Italian more than anything else. So maybe that's, you know, part of the thing which appeals to me. You can hear the fan going around, yeah, the one in mine as well. Sometimes, I mean, I turn it off during the night. The one in my band's not as strong as this. It's a pretty big thing, that. Oh. Yeah, the gimbal keeps jumping. I don't know why. Okay, right. So I'll show you some one or two other features. There's your television, and perhaps I better come out. Actually, I've been in here too long. Other people will be wanting to come in. I'm really glad I came in. I was beginning to get a bit hungry. I thought, oh, I'll go and get something to eat. And I walked past, and I came here twice before, and I thought, oh, I better film it while I'm here. Oh, even the lockers, where the lockers sort of come around like that. Don't know. I think maybe it's hard to say. Maybe. Oh, what's my favourite van? I can't. It's definitely one of my favourite vans. Yeah. Something I feel like a bit like a parent, so we can't have a favourite child. So I can't have a favourite van. It's for sale, as you'd expect. Let's have a quick walk around the outside. Okay, internal layout, absolutely stupendous. It's a very nice van, and if somebody were to say you can have any van you want and you got to live in it, you got to keep it for 5 years, I think that's good. I think that's the one I want of all the vans here. Very, very attractive. Ooh, whilst I'll show you a quick look around the stand, and you can see what else they've got. They've got this vehicle from 1930 with this pickup unit on it. We've got other layouts such as the ones you see around. You've got 3 layouts here. Bigger vehicles. You can also get it in 4x4, as you can see up there on the side. high vehicles. It says here 1 ton of so I don't know what's that English payload. Mercedes base, big garages, manufactured from GFK, designed to be light, stable, secure. It's a comparatively small company, so you don't expect to see too many on the road.